Have you ever wondered how email marketing works? It's the digital age's secret weapon, bridging the gap between businesses and consumers in a personal yet professional way. Stay with us as we delve into the fascinating world of email marketing. So, what exactly is email marketing? Well, at its core, email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that businesses leverage to connect with prospects and customers. Imagine an electronic letter filled with updates about products, services, or perhaps a warm, personalized message sent directly to your inbox. It's a way for businesses to build relationships, promote their offerings, and drive traffic back to their website, all with the aim of sparking interest and fostering engagement. In essence, email marketing is all about building relationships and driving sales. Now that we know what email marketing is, why do businesses use it? Well, the answer lies in its unique blend of advantages. Firstly, it's cost-effective, requiring minimal investment for potentially high returns. It also lets businesses reach a vast audience, right in their inboxes. Furthermore, email marketing allows for personalization, tailoring messages to individual customer needs and preferences. Lastly, the results are easy to track and analyze, providing valuable insights for future campaigns. So, email marketing offers businesses a cost-effective way to reach a large audience and track their marketing results. But what kind of return on investment does email marketing produce? Let's delve into that. Email marketing, it turns out, has an incredibly high return on investment. According to various studies, for every single dollar invested in email marketing, an impressive $38 in ROI is generated. Yes, you heard that right, $38. That's a significant return, especially when you consider the relatively low cost of conducting an email marketing campaign. This phenomenal ROI is why email marketing has become a cornerstone in the marketing strategies of businesses worldwide. So, with an ROI of $38 for every dollar spent, it's clear why email marketing is a strategy that businesses can't afford to ignore.